What's up guys? Behind me we have this beautiful 996 GT3 that just got its windshield replaced. We're going to be installing an exhaust shield on it. That way if ever anything happens to it, because it is a track car and it does experience a lot of abuse from any tire that's hitting it, probably rocks and whatever else that might be on the track, it's a lot easier and a lot more affordable to change the exhaust shield than it is to always keep replacing its windshield. So this is what we have going on in the shop. The team's finished disassembling the Lambo. They're in the process of wrapping it right now. You can see the doors are off. If you go in the back, most of the car is disassembled as well. Everything's removed. That way we could give a really seamless finish. So far they've have almost the front end done. We're going to be working on the bumper. The doors are being wrapped as well. Project's coming on really nicely. This Tech Super Gloss Miami Blue is looking really nice. I can't wait to see once it's finished. Right now next to it, we have this 911 that's getting the full front end PPF. After that, it's going for a full correction and ceramic coating. Over, we have another Tesla Model 3 getting a front end protection kit as well with rockers, just the same as this red one. And behind us, we have this beautiful NX that just got finished. Full PPF on the front end, full paint correction, and a ceramic coating as well. On this car, we did a G Technique Ultra, which is a 10H coating with a 9-year warranty.